It's my calamansi harvest. Let's harvest more. It's sad I didn't see the hummingbirds leave. Hopefully they come back. The baby hummingbirds. I don't think they're there anymore, but we'll check later. Let's grill our shrimp. Not ready yet. For now, let's pick lemon from the backyard garden. We need lemon on our salad. And then just grill this. And then let's add garlic too. Just garlic powder. Making our favorite garbanzo salad. So garbanzo, cucumbers, tomatoes, very simple salad. Like really like easy and like quick to prepare. And then we can grill our shrimp too, okay? So just as before we add tomatoes, let's grill the shrimp. It's super quick too. Another like super quick to prepare. I washed my hands and here I'm adding tomatoes. So really simple salad. Garbanzo, cucumbers, and tomatoes, and then drizzled with lemon juice from lemon harvested from the backyard garden, salt, and then I flipped the shrimp. Now let's continue with our salad. Satar and then sumac in like modern salt. And then this is ready. The shrimp is ready. Let's prepare this pink pineapple that we got from. This is the pink pineapple that we got from the Casa de Fruta. Here you go. Oh, look at this. It's really pink, right? So they remove the crown to make sure no one like copies or reproduce this. Ta-da! It is pink. See? It is really pink. Let's take a bite of our pink pineapple. And I need to harvest mint from here. Let's add extra freshness to our like salad. Here's my mint harvest. Mint from the garden for extra dose of freshness. Make it like really super fresh, right? Unlike parsley too. Here's our garden dinner with the pink pineapple. I'm just waiting for the boys. The cherries are from Casa de Fruta. They're super yummy. Same with the pineapple. The pink pineapple also got it from Casa de Fruta. The boys. I'll grill them like really soon. You see, we have this beans, and then this beans, and then we have more on that other side, on the other pot. The beans, and then here too. Right? They are like super yummy when like grilled.
Yum yum.
Josh has his favorite burrata. What's your favorite? Which one is your favorite? Choice?
Oh, yes.
Oh, the salad. Totally gone, right? They're not there anymore. As in, it's nothing here. Oh, they left. And we are done. Wildflowers are pretty. Hello. There's a deer out there. It's too far. But maybe it's a coyote too, I'm not sure. Or a fox. Now I'm heading to the Korean market. I'll get stuff for our shabu-shabu later. If it's not too cold, we'll probably have it in the backyard garden. Here at the Galleria market. This is a Korean market. Pickled vegetables. This is young turnip. And then white nata kimchi. And the other kimchi are there. Rice sticks. Husband wants me to get Shabu-Shabu, so let's get Shabu-Shabu. Why are they 50% off? Are they old? No, not this one. Shabu-Shabu. Good until May 6 or made on May 6. We need rice, Caro's rice. This is where I get our seasoning, the beef and the seafood. But this is soy sauce. Or shabu-shabu sauce. Okay. Oh, peanut butter. I'll try this yuzu. This is yuzu pie. And here are two. The cakes here. So pretty. Here's my shopping haul. Just like one bag and like a bag price is like $100. I can't wait to eat this. Husband and I are having lunch here in the backyard garden. This is my plate. This is his. Let's eat. I'm just waiting for the husband. He went back to wear like a sweater. It's a little like chilly right now. And windy.
Oh my God, lamig pala eh.
No, it's fine.
For you.
Are we going to the park to fly the drone?
We're going home now. Try to figure out the drone for 2 hours.
I have the ube.
Ube macchiato. Last time mommy got an ube and
Espresso, and it was like,
espresso.
oh my gosh, that's super strong. This one is what I like, the ube.
Mm.
The ube macchiato.
I have a question for you guys. You know how an Americano is a coffee with water? What would a coffee without water be called?
We're having shabu-shabu for tonight's dinner. Let's prepare our meat. We have beef and vegetables. So we have like the shabu-shabu meat. I got 3, and also like napa cabbage, enoki mushroom, this kind of mushroom, and then tofu. I think that's it. Oh, we have, I'm not sure if we are using shiitake mushroom too. We have shiitake mushroom. So 3 different kinds of mushrooms. Maybe let's use a little bit of our shiitake mushroom. And here's our shabu-shabu. We have tofu, mushroom, different kinds of mushroom, enoki, I don't know what this one is, shiitake, and then we have napa cabbage, and then the beef. We're just waiting for the rice. Beef and this. Add the napa cabbage. There you go. Looks yummy. It's Josh bowl. Swoosh swoosh, shabu shabu. Arancini is here. Arancini. Daddy, how's the arancini?
Excellent.
Josh, our cuatro stagioni. Gnocchi. And Josh is having, what are you having, Josh?
Prosciutto red pillow.
Yum yum. Now we're heading home.
Yeah.
We had lunch there at Made in Italy. There's also Hawaiian barbecue there, and then fish and chips, and then sweet chat snacks Indian restaurant. Oh, interesting. Going